Have you been trying to make money? Well, most likely you've made a very big mistake. You've been looking at people who do certain things in their highest class. Recently, I stumbled upon a video by Penguins, which is stated as OnlyFans is nuts, which states that Belle Delphine and Amaranth, two very popular internet personas, use their bodies to trick people into giving them money. The thing is, this is a small percentage, the top 2 creators of this website. Of course they're gonna make a lot. The top YouTubers make millions a month as well. The way you have to see this is that anyone that tries to tell you how to make money is most likely trying to make money off of telling you how to make money. Yes, this includes me. This video is most likely someday, if not yet, going to be monetized. And you'll be looking at this video in the past, in the future, doesn't matter because in the end, you're driving the traffic to my channel. Now, that is the point. Driving traffic to you. Be the attraction. All these people that got popular because they were special to some extent. But what does it mean to be special? Well, the truth is being special isn't special. The point is, you bring something unique. And it's very easy to bring something unique. You just gotta do something that no one's done before. The main reason why Belle Delphine and Amaranth are so great are because of their techniques, the way they do things. The same way that certain sports have people in their top 1% who are really great at what they do. So the point isn't to look at what people are doing right now. The point is to make a unique step. Take a unique step into a direction that no one's taken before. The reason why you keep failing is because you're trying to simulate what other rich people are doing. And while some of their techniques may work, the truth is that unless you bring something unique to the table, whether it's good or bad, it doesn't matter. People love the unique, and that will be capitalized. So if you want to make money, don't look at what rich people are doing right now. Think about what rich people should be doing. Think about your new tactics that you can apply. Now, what makes you unique as a person can really help with that. So if you have a unique ability to do comedy, then you use that comedy. Look for a platform to do so. You can do comedy in certain clubs, you can do it online on the internet. It really depends on where you wanna set your footing first. Now, the truth is you don't make money instantly. No one ever got there within a day. It's very possible to get there pretty quickly, but it's usually because people keep trying again and again. These entrepreneurial people, they keep trying new things until something works. And that's the problem. Don't give up when something doesn't work. If you want to learn how to ride a bike, you're gonna fail a couple of times. That's the way it works. So you want to know the techniques that other people use, and you kind of want to maybe even assimilate all of them at once. So you create something unique and then add your own unique flavor to it. That would be a great way of doing it. But again, that's not going to make you the top 1% because you're still using someone else's technique, so they're already out there. What can make you really unique is doing something extremely unique, and that's going to make you rich.